In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download FaceApp on Android. If you've seen those fun before and after photos online and wondered how people change their hair, add a beard, or try aging effects with a tap, this is the app behind a lot of those transformations. FaceApp is a popular AI photo editor that can change hairstyles and hair color, add makeup or beards, smooth skin, and remove blemishes, apply young or old effects, and create all kinds of creative looks using artificial intelligence. It's designed to be quick, playful, and surprisingly realistic. The safest and easiest way to get FaceApp is through the Google Play Store. This ensures you're downloading the official version and receiving security-checked updates over time. So, let's walk through it together, step by step. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. This is the trusted app marketplace that comes pre-installed on most Android devices. Once it's open, tap the search bar at the top and type FaceApp. Take a moment to review the search results. You're looking specifically for the listing titled FaceApp AI Photo Editor, and it should show the developer name as FaceApp Technology Limited. Checking that developer name is a simple way to avoid lookalike apps and make sure you're grabbing the genuine one. When you found the correct listing, tap Install. The download size can vary, so the time it takes will depend on your connection speed. If your internet is slower or you're on mobile data, just be patient while it completes. You'll see a progress indicator so you know it's working. Once the installation finishes, tap Open. That launches FaceApp right away so you can start exploring. You'll also find the app icon in your app drawer or on your home screen if you prefer to open it later. From here, you can experiment with the different filters and effects, swap hairstyles, try new colors, add subtle touch-ups, or go bold with aging transformations. The app's AI does most of the heavy lifting, so you can focus on having fun and getting the look you want. A quick tip to wrap up: always install FaceApp from the Google Play Store for the safest and smoothest experience. Sticking to the official store helps protect your device, keeps the app updated, and ensures you're using the legitimate version developed by FaceApp Technology Limited. That's all you need to download FaceApp on Android. Enjoy exploring and have fun creating your transformations.